Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the quickest and easiest way to clean your microwave without harsh chemicals. All you're going to do is put a bowl of water into your microwave for 3 minutes, grab your microfiber towel, wait until the 3 minutes is up, wipe your microwave down, everything should come off super easily, and then this is going to be your result. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'll see you next time. Bye.